So may nakatrabaho na po ba kayong kasungit? And yung second question po, since kanina sinabi rin po ni Piolo Pascual na they will support you, can we expect na maging kapatid na rin po sina Piolo Pascual and the rest of your anak-anakan sa ABS-CBN?
Mr. M, yung second question lang po sa
Pero, mamaya sabihin sa'yo.
Ganun na lang. Ukulong na lang. Pero second question na lang.
Second question. Oo. Sabi ko nga, marami kami na pinapaandar dito, pinapakulong. And maybe it's not the right time to reveal them. But people like Piolo, yan si Andrea Brillantes, ano nga medyo kinakabahan nga yung isang stasyon
Ayun na sa dalawa.
Oo, kasi
may bubulong na lang ulit ni Mr. M sa'yo, Janice. Okay.
No, just to add, Janice, Piolo, Andrea, and Enrique, for the record, are officially kapatids because they've signed right? So they are part of our world, the world that we actually live in, right? So the universe that we live in. So they are with us.
Katulad na sinabi ko kanina, I think artists now, they should be able to go anywhere. Diba?
Piolo is doing Manila's Finest, our entry to the Manila Film Festival. So that's produced by M+ Ventures. So he is a
tapos si Andrea, I think may pinapakulo kayo.
and kami gagawin din. So we just signed Andrea very recently.
Saka si Ken.
Ken also.
Enrique Hill.
Isa pa yung one word wonder, diba, Piolo? Ken.
Okay. And that ends our
Thank you so
press
much.
conference today with